Hi, I'm Peter from Pramet. We've updated our turning, indexable milling, solid milling, holemaking and threading catalogues in 24 languages and added new digital features. Let's take a look together. All the main menus, submenus and navigators are neatly sorted and clickable, turning the product selection headache into an easy, seamless experience. A hyperlink on each product code completes the journey from offline PDF to the eShop. Last but not least, the top menu action buttons lead you to the instruction section explaining page navigation, product descriptive icons, ISO coding of our tools, dimensional standard ISO 13399, all details about our crates and coatings, basic technical data, machining formulas and corrections, and workpiece material groups. Download your PDF at dormerpramet.com/downloads-catalogues or install your library app now.